Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about national symbols of India. Apart from that, we are also going to discuss about when was the national anthem adapted, when was the national anthem sung for the first time, who designed our national flag, who designed the symbol of Indian national rupee, and so many questions related to our national symbol. So don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. Let's start. What is the name of our Indian national flag? Answer: Tiranga. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. What is our national song? Vande Mataram. What is our national calendar? Saka calendar. What is our national motto? Satyameva Jayate. What is our national emblem? State emblem of India. The lion capital of Ashoka. What are our national days? Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are our national days. What is our national currency? Indian rupee. What is our oath of allegiance? National pledge. What is our national fruit? Mango. What is our national river? Ganga. What is our national flower? Lotus. What is our national vegetable? Pumpkin. What is our national aquatic animal? Ganges river dolphin. What is our national bird? Indian peacock. What is our national heritage animal? Indian elephant. What is our national reptile? King cobra. What is our national tree? Banyan tree. What is our national animal? Royal Bengal tiger. How many national symbols do we have? 17 national symbols. List of our national symbols. National flag, Tiranga. National anthem, Janagana Mana. National calendar, Saka calendar. National song, Vande Mataram. National emblem, state emblem of India. National fruit, mango. National flower, lotus. National vegetable, pumpkin. National bird, peacock. National animal, Bengal tiger. National aquatic animal, Ganges dolphin. National tree, banyan tree. National river, Ganga. National reptile, king cobra. National currency, Indian rupee. National heritage animal, elephant. Oath of allegiance, national pledge. So this is the complete list of our national symbols. What are our official languages? Hindi and English. What is the national game of India? Hockey. What is the national monument of India? India Gate. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India? 4 lions. When was the Indian rupee sign adopted by the government of India? 15 July 2010. Who designed the symbol of the Indian national rupee? Udayakumar Dharmalingam. When was the national anthem of India sung for the first time? 27th December 1911. Who wrote our national song? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Who designed our national flag? Pinkali Vengayya. Who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. When national anthem was written? 11th December 1911. Janagana Mana was originally composed in Bengali? When was National Flag of India adopted by the Constitution Assembly? July 22, 1947. The national emblem was adopted on January 26, 1950. In the Indian national flag, saffron represents courage. What do the terms Satyameva Jayate on the state emblem mean? Truth will triumph. The chakra on the Indian flag is in what color? Navy blue. How many spokes are on the chakra in the Indian flag? 24 spokes. When was national anthem adopted? January 24th, 1950. How many colors Indian flag have? 3 colors. What are the colors of Indian flag? Saffron, white and green. What does the 3 color of the flag mean? Saffron represents courage and sacrifice. White represents honesty, peace and purity. Green represents faith and chivalry. Who hoisted Indian flag first time? Sachindra Prasad Bose. What does 24 spokes in Indian flag represents? 24 hours of the day. I hope this video would be useful for you. Thank you for watching, friends.